I'd like to return to perhaps the most famous classic.
What's up guys? Today is Saturday, that means it is trick tip tutorial day, and today we are going to learn the boneless. Do it without looking. There we go. Unlike Harry and Chaz, I'm actually goofy, so if you're used to their normal tutorial videos, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to learn it the opposite way now. To make this easy for you guys, I'm gonna break this down into 4 simple steps, which are grabbing the board, planting your foot, jumping, and landing and committing. With your 4 steps, you're gonna have to add them onto each other once at a time, and once you do that, you'll be able to do the boneless. Right, the first thing we're going to learn is the grab. Use your back hand into indie position. If you don't know what indie is, it's one of these. In front of you, in the middle of your legs. So step 2, we are going to do the plant. First thing, place your foot behind you like this and put the tail to the ground. Before you're jumping and everything, make sure that you are completely and utterly comfortable with your grabbing and planting your foot, because it can be very awkward if you don't know what you're doing. So step 3 is jumping with your planted foot. So first thing you're going to do is grab like step 1, plant your foot, step 2, and with step 3 you're going to lift your board, but as you lift your board you're going to jump with your planted foot on the floor like so, like that. To finish this trick tip off, you're going to need to get that planted foot back on your board, then time for you to roll away before you fall over. Once you have mastered the bonuses, you can take it to so many different types of obstacles. I will just show you now. Right, so that was the tutorial for the boneless. I hope that has helped you in every way possible, and I hope you can proceed on to further things using this trick. Tune in next Saturday for a new tutorial. Stay funky.